Today I thought I would show you how I do my everyday makeup. Cute. It's my little bow. I like my little bow. I'm going in with L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour wear. This has a little sunscreen in it. I'm going in with the shade 460. Blender. I put it on my wrist. A couple dollops. Pat it in, and I just go like this. I go in circular motions. All over the face. Alright, now I don't use a heavy coverage, I just like a light coverage just because I don't have a lot to cover. So that's why I use a lighter. This is, you can get it at a drugstore. It's super cheap. For Beauty, this is Light Sand for my concealer. Next, I take a light brush. This is e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I use it as a concealer brush. And I just go around where all my dark circles are. And I'm gonna put some up here, up here. This is just what I do. Makeup crazies and professionals get all crazy with it. This is just what works for me. This is how I prefer it. Maybe doing makeup mistakes, it works. And then I just blend. You don't want to rub, you just want to push into the skin. And this is a damp blender brush. My beauty blender is damp. So make sure you have a damp blender. That just makes it a dewy finish, I guess. Push, push, push. And then I put, again, just dab, 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 dab. For 10 minutes, but and then I go over my chin area. This tends to be the one I get very oily in. So then I just dab, 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 push, 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 push. Don't rub, just push. Okay, that is so far what it looks like. I have terrible lighting in here, but unfortunately, this is all I can film. And then you just dab, 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 dab. Okay, that's done. Just kind of rub whatever excess is left on it. Just like that. Yeah, it works. Alright. And then this is the finished product. So as you can see, this is in the natural lighting because the lighting in there is pretty bad. Put the highlighter on, got my eyebrows done. Oh, Make sure you dab out those spots that you can see do not look well there. Just a little, like, use your finger, even it out. Take care of that color, but that is my everyday makeup routine. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please hit the subscribe channel and the bell button at the bottom, and I'll see you soon. Thanks again.